guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be creating this very bronzy, very simple but bold look. So if you'd like to learn, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to start out today using the Luscious Cosmetics Face Contour Kit. And I'm going to be dipping into the lightest color in the palette. And I'm going to be bronzing up my face with this color. These colors are really, really dark for my skin, but I use them anyways because they're really good. And this brush is the Morphe M530 brush. This brush is so good. It's so good for bronzing and it's so good for contouring. It just like, when you just use it, just one brush, it just makes such a perfect blend, if that makes any sense. Alright, so the packaging on this is actually really dirty, but I'm going to be going in with the Vintage by Jessica I don't know, something. And I'm going to be taking, it's an illuminating face highlighter. This is in the color Rose Gold and looks like this. It's so beautiful. It's actually a highlighter. Let me just swatch it a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's very rose gold. I don't know if you guys can see that. But I actually like to use it as blush. I've used it a couple times. Usually I do it when I'm doing like my no makeup days. But I'm just going to be taking my Luxie 514 blush brush. And these are, ooh, shit. These are really, really pigmented. I did not notice. Ooh. Okay, so I'm going to be putting these on my like apples of my cheeks just as I normally would with blush. I just love how this gives your face like a nice little pink glow without looking like too bold on the face. But it just looks so good on the skin. So I do recommend like using this as a blush. Alright, so I'm going to be moving on to setting my face, and I'm going to be using the Hard Candy setting spray. This is their matte sheer NV spray. I'm going to be spraying my face. And this setting spray actually has like a really, really nice smell, and I do love it. I don't really feel like it makes me like super matte, which is fine with me because I don't like to look matte, but it is very nice. And as you guys know, if you watch my channel for a while, you do know I like to use setting spray before doing my highlighter. So today we're going to be going in with the Dose of Colors DesiXKaty collaboration. This is their Fuego highlighter. It's so beautiful. It actually is darker for my skin, but I had to buy it anyways because I'm obsessed with DesiXKaty and Dose of Colors. So yeah, we're going to be putting this on the cheeks today. I actually did a darker foundation than I normally do today, and I blended it down my neck, so maybe it won't look so bad on me, but I just love this highlighter. I've used it on my mom because she is more darker skinned than I am, and it looked beautiful on her. So I just really want it to look beautiful on me. So, yep, I'm going to be putting this all over my face. And this highlighter looks so beautiful on camera. I don't know if you guys can see, but it actually does kind of look like a gold streak on my face in person just because it is darker than me, but it is such a beautiful highlighter. I just wish I was a little bit more darker skinned so I can use it. But I'm now going to be taking it on this pencil brush, and I'm just going to be going down the nose a little bit, and I'm going to be switching between the other brush I was using just to kind of help blend it out. Alright, so I'm going to be picking up this Morphe Rose Gold R37 brush. And it does look dirty, but I actually cleaned all my brushes. They're all stained right now. I didn't clean them, like super clean them, but I used some spray to clean them. So they're clean, but they're stained, if that makes any sense. But I'm going to be taking the Makeup Geek. This is the Manny Mua collaboration. And this palette is so amazing. As you can tell, I don't know if you can see it so well on camera, but this is so used up. This used to be like my #1 palette that I would use. Like when I got it, I used it every single day and I didn't use anything. This was actually like a good palette for me to like start getting into like crazier, more bold makeup. So I'm going to be dipping into this middle shade right here, and this middle shade is so stunning. It's in the color Sora. So beautiful. It's like the most perfect transition shade, and I'm going to be blending this into my crease. And a lot of times I do like to kind of go back and forth and mix these two together. But today I'm going to be using this middle one. They're just so, every color in here is beautiful. I mean, just look at that transition color. That is just stunning. And I'm going to put this on the outer part as well. Alright, so now I'm going to be picking up this Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to be dipping into this brown color right here. This is in the color Aphrodite, I believe. Aphrodite? I don't know. But I'm going to be putting it on the outer part. And this brush is very, very good for like the crease area. So I'm going to be making sure it's very heavy on this outer part. But then I'm going to be slowly dragging it into the crease. And I like to tilt my head back just so I can really see that crease line. So yeah, I'm just making sure it's nice and blended until I get the darkness that I want. And then I just like to go back in with that first brush and kind of go through and blend everything together. Just gives it a nice, more blended look, because I do have a lot of creases in my eyes, so eyeshadows like to skip over. So I really just have to make sure I sit here and blend. And then of course I'm just going to go back in a little bit. I do want that crease to be a little bit darker, so I'm just dragging that brown shade just to make it a little bit more vibrant. Alright, so now I'm going to be picking up the Dose of Colors DesiXKaty collab. This is their little quad. It has 4 different colors in them. I love these colors. As you can tell, this is super used up. These are just so beautiful the way they're pressed. They are so beautiful, and they're named after their dogs, which makes me love it even more. So I'm going to be going in with the color Noli, and I'm going to be picking it up on my finger, which is this bronze color right here. And I'm going to be switching in between this little detailed brush. This is the Morphe M213 brush. I'm going to be first placing it on my lid with my finger. It's such a beautiful bronze color. And then for the more closer to the crease area, I'm going to be going in with that brush. And so now I'm just picking up that little brush and picking it up and blending that a little bit more in the crease so it's a little bit sharper. And then I'm going to spray my brush with this color on it and just kind of lay it over the lid just to make it a little bit more metallic. Alright, so now I'm going to be picking up that same brush, and I just wiped it off. Since this brush is the only little small brush I have, I'm going to be dipping into the brown color and just really rubbing this very closely to my waterline. And now I'm switching into a little bit more of a smaller, fluffier brush. This is the Morphe E36 brush, and I'm going to be dipping into the transition color right there and just blending out the brown. Dipping into the color Suze right here, and I just love this. It looks beautiful on the lid, but I'm going to be using this kind of as like an inner corner highlight. I'm not going to be dragging it down as much, but just kind of right here near like the lid area. And I'm making sure to spray my brush. And I'm just using some NYX setting spray and a little bit of this on the brow bone. It is a little too gold for me, but we're gonna do it anyways. And so far, I just really love how everything looks. This bronze is so beautiful. So as you guys already know, I'm gonna be taking my IT Cosmetics No Tug liner. Don't know why it's such a pain in the ass to open lately, but yeah, I'm gonna be putting this in my waterline. And since I'm lazy, I'm gonna be taking the Julep Length Matters Mascara. This mascara is so beautiful. I love this. But since I'm lazy, we're not gonna be doing any like false lashes or any winged liner because I'm lazy as hell. But yeah, I'm just gonna be putting this on my top and bottom lashes. I feel like this mascara just makes my lashes look so long, and if I want to like make them thicker, I can just keep building it up. It's a buildable lengthening mascara and it's just so amazing. Alright, so now for the last part, I'm going to be going in with the Dose of Colors DesiXKaty liquid lipstick in the color Hot Fire. This is a very hot fire lipstick. It's very orange. It's beautiful. I'm going to be putting it on my lips. Like I said, this lipstick is so hot fire and it's getting all over my teeth. But this color is so beautiful. It's like an orangey red color, and the formula of these liquid lipsticks, actually all Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks are like my #1 favorite liquid lipstick formula. They go on so easily. They're not streaky, they don't feel drying, and they last all day. Alright, so yeah, that is the completed look. This is a super easy, anyone can do this, super bronzy, but got a little bit of a bold lip going on, but it's so easy. I just love how bronzy this eye is. I love all the products I used today. So yeah, if you like this video, please make sure to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.